Okay, the goal is to get this restaurant model. So if I look at this restaurant model right now, it has nothing in it. It should match what's in the database. So let me go to CMD and bring up my database, MongoD. Then let's do a CMD, type in Mongo. Let's do show DBS to make sure we're there. Let's use the midterm spring 2019. Clear the screen. Show tables. Oh, not wrong. Database, show collections, DB restaurants, find one. Now I need a Java object that's going to look like this. And this is probably the most complex object that we've done since we've started class. Now we could do this by hand, but of course I'm not going to do that. What I want you to do is, I have a link here which I will share with you. This is a link to a website that will generate the plain old Java object, better known as POJO. So what I'm going to do here, let's go back to the console. I will copy all this information as much as I can. Hit enter. Go back here and do a Control V, and I'll click on submit. Let me go back here. I gotta give this main class a name, and of course that name will be restaurant. We already have a restaurant, but again we want to generate all the fields with it. Let's click on submit, and this is the restaurant database. For some reason a lot of my information disappeared. Let me go back here. Okay, let's put the name here of restaurant. This is its body of information. And notice what it did. It created a bunch of classes. Restaurant, which is the main class that houses everything here. Last grade. Last grade itself is a class that contains these following fields. Date part is also a class. Which is this guy right here. And of course address, which is also an object, or a data type, a separate data type. So we need to bring all of these into our project to see it working. All right, so I will start from the bottom, then head my way to the top. So I'll grab this, copy it, go to Eclipse here, and let's paste it in the model. I'll do that for the rest of them. Date part. Last grade. And of course, restaurant. Yes, I want to override the old restaurant. Save it. And now we have our model. Okay. So this model is the representation of this JSON object. If you look at it, it should make sense here, meaning that if I go to address, sorry, not address, if I go to restaurant, restaurant has a field called address, which is this guy right here, has a field called last grade, which is right here. But these itself are complex data types. All right, with that, good luck and good coding. We just finished the model.